brush Murphy with us. Murphy look like a little weirdo. Bless you. Did you just burp? I was just bragging to some friends about how Murphy hasn't shed yet and he's a golden retriever. Like, we're so lucky, all this and that. And then this past week, it has been crazy hair. The shedding isn't awful yet. We definitely get little tumbleweeds around the apartment, which is fine. I totally expected that, but I honestly think karma is what is happening. It's always worse after I give him a bath. So far, I don't think it's that bad yet, but I know our time is coming. I am ready for it. We just took him to the groomer the other day. We didn't get him groomed, but we did get his nails trimmed up because those things were sharp. It is nice because Murphy genuinely loves getting brushed, so that definitely helps our situation. I know that would be hard having a golden if they didn't like getting brushed because they do shed a lot. And we have dark hardwood floors, so that does not help our situation. But when I signed up to get a golden, I knew he was gonna shed. And I was fully ready for the responsibility that came with. The shedding is totally worth it.